Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a Via Trading pallet that I've just unboxed, and I want to tell you exactly how much I'm going to make, but I also want to explain to you the pros and the cons of getting a health and beauty pallet from Via Trading. So I'm going to walk you through all those steps and what to expect. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so let me just give you the breakdown. This is a Via Trading health and beauty pallet. I paid $5.50. Shipping was $110 for me. A totaled $660. I believe I can make $1,530 after further investigation of all the items, which once I take my $660 off equals $870 and about 6 hours worth of work. And so let me kind of give you an idea of what I got going on. So I've got some pros and cons of getting health and beauty from Via Trading. Well, you have to remember these are shelf pulls and returns, and so there are various different things that are going to come into condition. Right off the bat, you see this huge pile behind me. These are all items that have leaked or have been broken. I'm going to come back to this pile and tell you a pro about this pile. What could be positive about this pile? Stay tuned. I'll let you know. So these are all things that have leaked and basically are in unsellable condition. And then I've got things like this. Okay, upon further investigation, it says defective offline slip. Basically, it keeps slipping in the person's mouth. It's a dental device. Someone stuck it in their mouth. It didn't work the way they wanted. They stuck it back in the box and they returned it, and then I get it in liquidation. That's just nasty. That's gross, okay? But it's part of liquidation. It's some of the things that you come in contact with. So this clearly doesn't work, and it's going to go in the trash. I'm not going to go any further with it. Another con, like I said, I'm giving you all the bad news first, is like I've got this item here. Good sellable condition, except for it's covered in goo. One of the bath salts has broken open, but all I need to do is, let me reach down here, grab this. These are my friends. And so I'm going to take these and wipe it down and make it miraculously clean, because if you bought it from the store and it had something spilled on it, you would do the exact same thing. So, but I'm going to make sure everything is in pristine condition that I send to the Amazon warehouse. And if it's not in pristine condition, it will go on eBay with lots of condition notes or on my own website with lots of condition notes. So this is a biggie. Another con that happens in liquidation is, look, 3 bath bombs. No, just 2. So I obviously can't sell this like this. I may put this in a bundle or a gift set that I decide to list on Poshmark. Just take the 2 bath bombs out. This is what it's supposed to look like. And so those are some negatives that happen when getting some health and beauty items. You can get broken items. You can get crushed boxes, things like that. Now let's get to the positive news, all right? So I told you this pile here, positives. If they would not have bagged these Via Trading, so they're making an attempt to make sure your stuff doesn't get destroyed. If they would not have bagged all of these items, there are multiple items. Let me see if I can find one here. This one here shows you a good example. Goo. This just came out of the bottle and gooed everywhere. So whether the top got snapped or crushed or broken, this would have ended up all over everything, and everything would have been unsellable. So they make an attempt to make sure what you get is going to be in decent condition. So that's a pro about all of the bags. Another pro is that there's a lot of stuff here that you see that's going to be in great sellable condition. Lots of barcodes, lots of things like that, where I can put it directly on Amazon. Like I've already sold this multiple times before for $20 a profit after fees. I think they sell for about $40 on Amazon. After fees and all of that and shipping it in, it's going to be about $20 in my pocket. And so lots of things like that. And then don't discount the things that are hazmated that you can sell merchant fulfill. Like I said, I believe I can make on all this stuff $870 a profit after I pay myself back. And then there's a lot of things that are still in great condition. Lots of these brushes are in good condition. We've even got a game in here. here, and even some of the liquid items came in great condition, and so we'll be able to sell those. The cool thing is too is all the medicines, we've looked at the expiration dates, and most of them are perfect in great selling condition. You have to be about 120 days out from the expiration date in order to send it to the FBA warehouse, and so a lot of these fit in that criteria, and I should be able to send them into the Amazon warehouse. So pros and cons of getting a health and beauty pallet from Via Trading. Like I said, 6 hours worth of work, gonna make $870. Yes, it looks like a lot of work, but I'm definitely going to be able to make my money back. So don't be scared about getting a health and beauty. If you're ungated in Amazon for health and beauty, it's the best place to sell things, but just make sure you're really, really careful on condition, and then you won't hurt your account at all. And if you're concerned about condition at all, eBay, Poshmark, that's one benefit. Another pro is Poshmark has opened up some household items, and some makeup and stuff sells really great. Makeup, hair accessories sell great on Poshmark. So that's an option as well. You can make your own bundles. So hopefully it's been helpful to see exactly what I'm going to make, how much work I have invested in this, and the pros and cons of buying health and beauty from Via Trading. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to Via Trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below.
This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from Via Trading.
This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.